Hello there. Today we're going to be looking at the Skywalker family tree and the trait of inheriting the Force and being able to wield it, like this dude right here. We're going to start off by looking at this key. So we have all 5 forms of genetic inheritance right here. And then we have F representing the Force allele at the Force locus. These different forms of inheritance are going to represent the ability to wield the Force as a phenotype. So as we can see here, there are only Force users in this segment of the tree, and then obviously Padme Amidala comes in with the Skywalker lineage, and they carry it on down to Ben Solo. And so we can see that only 3 forms of inheritance can be witnessed, and that is autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, and X-linked recessive. Now, X-linked dominant cannot be witnessed because, for example, as we see here, Shmi would have to have 2 recessive Force alleles in her X chromosomes, and then Sheev would have to have 1 dominant Force allele in his X chromosome. Now, Sheev must give Anakin his Y chromosome, and Shmi must give Anakin one of her X chromosomes. Now, both of her X chromosomes have recessive alleles, therefore Anakin would not have Force powers in this instance. So X-linked dominant is not one of the forms of inheritance. So the other mode of inheritance that is not able to be possible in this family tree is the Y-linked form of inheritance. And we can see a very clear example of this with Leia Organa and Han Solo. Now, Y-linked traits can only be passed through Y chromosomes, so people with only X chromosomes and no Y chromosomes cannot display the phenotype. Only the males can pass down the Y-linked trait through male offspring. And as we can see here, Han Solo has a Y chromosome, but he does not display the Force phenotype, but his son Ben Solo does, which is not possible. Leia Organa also displays the Force phenotype, and she's a woman, and she's not able to have a Y-linked trait because she doesn't have a Y chromosome.